When flights are grounded, rerouted, or suddenly cleared for takeoff during turbulent weather, it's not just the pilots making the call. Behind the scenes, a senior aviation meteorologist is guiding the strategy, combining scientific insight with operational leadership. Their decisions ripple across the skies, influencing fleets, fuel loads, and even passenger safety. This is their world. Before we begin, remember to subscribe and bookmark this playlist as we add more videos in this series in which we examine this career in more detail. Post any questions in the comments. The strategic mind of a senior forecaster. Unlike junior meteorologists focused primarily on data interpretation and short-term forecasts, senior aviation meteorologists work at the intersection of science, logistics, and high-stakes decision-making. Their role is both tactical and strategic. They oversee forecast accuracy, supervise teams, and advise airlines on weather-related risks days in advance. Senior meteorologists are often responsible for integrating meteorological insights into broader operational strategies. Whether it's adjusting flight schedules to avoid snowstorms or optimizing routes around jet streams to save fuel, their job is to see the full picture and anticipate what's next. Shaping operations before the weather hits. A true influence of a senior meteorologist is felt before a weather event even arrives, days ahead of a major system moving in, be it a hurricane, polar vortex, or Saharan dust cloud. They're already running scenarios, consulting global forecast models, and issuing long-range advisories to airline operation centers. They assess potential disruptions not just for one airport but across entire networks. Their forecasts inform whether aircraft should be pre-positioned, whether crew scheduling needs adjustments, and how airport ground operations should prepare. This level of foresight prevents delays, diversions, and sometimes even accidents. Leadership and mentorship. Senior aviation meteorologists are also mentors and leaders. They review and validate the work of junior forecasters, ensuring that every TAF, METAR interpretation, and SIGMET update meets the highest standard of accuracy. In moments of rapidly developing weather, they are the voice of authority, rechecking data, adjusting guidance, and coordinating the response. Their leadership is especially critical during high-pressure events. Severe convective storms, volcanic ash advisories, or a winter weather outbreak can trigger cascading effects across global aviation. A senior meteorologist brings calm, clarity, and action plans to the table when minutes matter. Collaboration across borders. Aviation is international, and so is the role. Senior aviation meteorologists often collaborate with international partners, including the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, Eurocontrol, and national aviation authorities. They contribute to harmonized forecasts across borders, ensuring consistency for aircraft traveling long-haul routes. They may also participate in international working groups, influencing how emerging risks like climate-driven turbulence or high-altitude icing are managed at a global scale. Tecnología, tools y innovación. At their fingertips are some of the most advanced forecasting tools available. High-resolution numerical weather prediction models, ensemble forecasts, satellite-derived wind profiles, and real-time lightning tracking all feed into their decision-making. Many are also involved in research and development, testing AI-assisted forecasting systems or refining turbulence prediction algorithms. Senior meteorologists don't just use tools, they help shape them. Their feedback influences software development, system upgrades, and operational protocols across the aviation industry. The invisible guardian of air travel. Perhaps the most remarkable aspect of a senior aviation meteorologist's impact is its invisibility. Passengers rarely know when their flight was safely diverted around a storm, or when their pilot relied on precise wind shear guidance during descent. But make no mistake, these behind-the-scenes professionals are safeguarding every phase of flight. Their influence extends from the cockpit to the control tower, from airline command centers to global weather monitoring agencies. It's a career that fuses expertise, leadership, and foresight into a vital role that keeps the aviation industry aloft.